Hello game designers, my name is Kari and today I'll be showing you how to create a walk animation in the side perspective. As you can see on screen, I have created a working prototype. The character can move right, left, but not up and down because I have took that out. I have a background set up, sprite, and a set position for the sprite. So what I want to do is add animations to this character, walking left or right. So I'm going to go to game, our controller, and click on the on a button pressed and drag it into the code. But I want to change the A button to the right, and now I'm going to go to the animation tab, dragging this animate my sprite with the blank gray square for the frames. Change the variable to user so it knows to animate this sprite. Then I'm going to click the gray box. Actually, I made a pink mark. Alright. Then we're going to go into gallery and pick out the sprite I want to use. So this is for the right, so I'm going to pick out this one. The character has a good stride going. So then we add one more frame. Gallery of this one. So now when I hit this play button, it reviews the animation, and you can see right here that the character is moving up and down in sort of like a walking sense. If you want to speed it up, go over to this box right here and type in whatever number. I'm gonna use 250, half of it, so it goes a little faster. Done, and let's test out the game. Character moving right in a walking pattern. As you can see, it only animates when I hit the right. When I try left, it's static. So to fix that, I am going to add the code for the left button. Bring out this, change the A to the left, pressed, keep that the same. Go to animation, animate my sprite. Alright, user, frames, gallery, and this time I'm going to choose one of the sprites facing left. Go with this one. Hit the plus to add another frame, and use this one. Click done, and I'm going to speed it up right here. Type in 250. And you can see him going. However, the animation only cycles once. It only goes through the animation once, so it stops and then stops moving. To fix that, I'm gonna go into these two and just flip these switches for loop on. And then now when I input a direction, you can see the animation loops. However, it doesn't stop looping. That's the problem. So we want to add a block of code that says when we release the hold button, the animation will stop completely. So we're going to go to game controller, take this one, same one we've been using, assign this to right, and assign the pressed option to released. Animation and bring out this block, stop all animations on my sprite, drag it in, change the variable to user, and when we run the game, hit right, let go, it stops. That's what we want. So we're going to repeat it for the left one too. Right click this, duplicate, drag it down, and then change the right prompt to left. Find that on right the character moves, stops, and then on left the character moves, stops. Alright, one last thing, when I stop the animation, sometimes the character can end on like an open leg frame like that. I want to fix that so it will never happen again. I'll go into sprites, scroll all the way down to images, click this box, and put it inside the on right button prompt, click the gallery, and then click this sprite so it looks like they stop. Change the variable to user, and I'm going to duplicate that, and just put in this one too. Change the sprite, and it's good to go. Let's test it out. Right, stop in place, left, stop in place, right, stop in place. That's all for the animation walk. If you want to learn how to add a jump animation, just follow to another one of my videos that I covered that topic on. Alright, thank you very much and have a good day.